Welcome to Kids Live channel.
Choo-choo-choo, here comes the train. Panda is riding down the lane. We see mountains, trees, and animals too. All are happy, waving at you. Kids shout, train, stop, stop. Panda, come on, kids, hop. Sit on the train, today we go to Veggie Land. Here we go. Yeah, 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 yeah. Veggie Land today. We go. Yeah, 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 yeah. Veggies, veggies, hit parade. We go. Veggies are good for skin and health. Eating them gives us joy and wealth. Okay, kids, we come to Veggie Land. So many vegetables at our hand. Carrot, peas, tomato, and beans. Learning names of veggies, sights, and scenes. Yeah, 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 yeah. We learn veggie names. Come on, kids, step inside Veggie Land. Yeah, 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 yeah. Clap your hands. Yeah, 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 yeah. Look around, so many veggies here. Let's start our fun video. Cheer, cheer.
Hi, I'm Carrot. Carrots are healthy for your eyes and skin, so eat carrots and stay strong.
Yay! Eat carrots every day.
Hi, I'm Tomato. Tomatoes are juicy and full of vitamins. They help keep your skin soft and your heart healthy.
Tomato. Watch the full video. I have a surprise for you.
Hi, I'm Potato. Potatoes give you lots of energy to play and run. They are soft, tasty, and full of strength.
Potato.
Hi, I'm Spinach. Spinach makes you strong like a superhero and is full of iron and vitamins for your body.
Spinach.
Hi, I'm Cucumber. Cucumber keeps you cool and fresh. It's full of water and great for your skin.
Cucumber. Watch the full video. I have a surprise for you.
Hi, I'm Peas. Peas are small but super healthy and help make your bones and muscles strong.
Cucumber.
Hi, I'm Corn. Corn is sweet and full of energy. It helps you stay active all day long.
Corn.
Hi, I'm Broccoli. Broccoli helps you grow tall and strong and protects your body from getting sick.
Broccoli.
Hi, I'm Cabbage. Cabbage keeps your tummy happy and your skin healthy.
Broccoli. Cabbage. So, kids, are you ready for the surprise? 1, 2, 3. Thank you, kids. Here's a flower bouquet for you, bouquet dog. Like and subscribe.